What's up everybody? I'm Nick with Aztec Tents, and today we're out here showing you how to set up a 20 by 20 Festival Can-W frame tent. Alright guys, so first things first, our PPE. We've got our gloves, a hard hat, safety glasses, hearing protection, our vest, and our safety shoes. Alright, we're going to get started with a quick parts breakdown. We've got our sledgehammer and our 42-inch stakes. We've got our Can-W base plate, Can-W corners, Can-W cross cables, our 1-inch guy lines, a festival tool for getting our top onto our corners, our 8-foot legs, and our splices to go with our 9.3 perimeter pipe, our Can-W mast, our drop cloth, and our 20 by 20 top. Okay, so our first step in the installation of this tent is to get started with a rough layout of where we want our tent to be, getting our perimeter pipe and corner fittings assembled. Okay, so we've got our perimeter frame assembled with our cross cables. Now we just want to cover the cables in the ground with our tarps, and then we'll go ahead and put our top on the corners. Alright, so we've got our top on the corners of our frame. Our next step is going to be locating our stakes, and we'll use our legs to do so. Our stakes should be about 6 to 8 feet away from the tent, so we'll just use our 8-foot leg as a guide to marking those stakes. Before we do that, we'll install our base plates. Using the provided nut and bolt. Alright, now that we've got our stakes located and anchored, we're going to proceed with installing 2 of our legs. But before doing that, we're going to attach our guy lines to our corners just to make sure that once our legs are up, we don't get a gust of wind and have our tent blow away. Alright, so our first 2 legs are on. Now we're going to proceed with getting our mast into the top. When first pushing the mast in through the hole, you want to have someone go on the other side of the tent and slip the flag over the pole pin. Okay, so you only want to tighten this just enough to get your wall rope line behind your perimeter pipe. slide it through the alligator clip. And don't just yank on this strap. You can pull your valance down to where it should be, cinch it up. Alright, so we've got our mast installed. Now it's time to install our last two legs, and then we'll move on with tensioning up all the straps. Okay, so we've got all four legs in. Our tent is standing. Now it's time to just tension our ratchets. We'll start with our guy lines, and then we'll move on to our ratchet tensioners on our valance. Okay, so that wraps up our install of the 20x20 Festival Can W frame tent. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn how to take it down, just play the video backwards.